Hey, Dave Reed here. I want to show you a new update that we've made to the way that high-level opportunities and the events on your eSpeakers calendar stay in sync with each other. So I'm looking here in HighLevel at the opportunities page. These are events that I'm trying to get. I want to do the business with these folks. And let's look at this opportunity, the dishwasher convention. Now, opportunities can be linked to events on your eSpeakers calendar. So here's the eSpeakers calendar, and here is an event on the eSpeakers calendar. This event is linked to this opportunity. If I click into the opportunity here, I can see that. It actually shows up here above the main opportunity data. This is information coming over from your eSpeakers calendar because the two are linked. And I can know for sure they're linked because if I look in the speaking tab here and I scroll down to the bottom, this one has an event ID in the speaking tab, and that tells me that it has been linked to an event on my eSpeakers calendar. So right now, this opportunity is in the lead stage. So opportunities have a pipeline, and the pipelines have stages. Now everyone's got an events pipeline, and your events pipeline has these stages: lead, held, confirmed, postponed, closed. Those match up with the statuses on an eSpeakers calendar event. So if I, back here on the opportunity, let's say the customer calls in and they want to move the dishwasher convention to a stronger state. They say, hey, look, we're down to 3 people. You're one of them. So we'd like you to hold the date. Well, you just moved this from a lead stage to the held stage. And we would then want the linked eSpeakers calendar event to get updated to match. And with this update, it does. If I refresh this page now, we'll see that this dishwasher convention event is now a held event. It got updated automatically to follow the opportunity because they're linked together. Now, the same thing's true here. Let's say that the customer calls back. I'm working in eSpeakers. Customer calls back, and this time they say, hey, we chose you. This is now a confirmed event. Well, I'm going to go change it to confirmed. Because it's an updated status, I do want to clear my current action list and apply any items that are related to the new status to confirmed from my action list. And because I did this inside the eSpeakers calendar, I now want HighLevel. I want the opportunity to follow in HighLevel. And if I refresh this now, and I change this filter so that I can see 1 events. So before it had been filtered so that I wasn't seeing events that I had won or opportunities that I had won. So I just turned that filter off, and now I can see that the dishwasher convention is in the confirmed state. And it's also been set to status is 1, W-O-N. So there we go. And again, up here, I can see that it's a linked, and I can just click that to zip straight over to the eSpeakers calendar and see it. So that's how that feature works. It just keeps the event status in sync with the opportunity stage, both directions.